We are at the Sonsoddo garbage dump. Finally, after battling for a week, firemen have managed to get the fire under control. Firstly, they tried putting water and trying to get the fire under control, but they failed. Then they used chemical to get the fire under control, but after using the chemicals, they came to know that it was poisonous, and few people were admitted in the hospital for medical treatment, and around 40 people were taken to Fatarda stadium for safety reasons. Now they are using mud filling to get the fire under control, and finally they have managed to get the fire under control. And after battling the firemen for 1 week without going home, no proper food, and struggling, and they have managed to get the fire under control by using mud filling. If the garbage recycling plant was working properly, and if the government had taken care and done the recycling on time, this issue wouldn't have taken place and everyone shouldn't have been suffering. Even the fire brigades, firemen also, there was no need for them also to suffer. You can see the pile of garbage which is dump. This dump wouldn't have been there. So we at least now urge the government to open their eyes, look into this matter, and use that recycling plant, repair it, and get the work done so that this issue doesn't take place again in future.